This is a quick video if your overdrive switch is not working on your 2010 to 2013 Ford Transit Connect. When you remove the shift lever, take that screw out, you'll notice these little tips, or maybe your wire will be broken and the tips won't be there. But they actually run down the length of the pipe, of the shaft. And if you notice right here on the very inside, there's a little white clip right there. Well, that little white clip is where that plugs into. I'm going to use my mirror to maybe, hopefully you can see it on the back side. And there's a little white clip with a wire plugged in at the bottom of it. Now those two, that's the wire heading to into the vehicle. That white clip is the clip where the gear shifter overdrive wires are going to plug into. So it's very hard to see. Best way I've found is after you remove the shift console and all this, and you unplug the light and everything, put your foot on the brake, slide it all the way down to whatever that is, 2 or 3, and then you'll be able to see that little clip right there. That's the back side of it. And again, there's 2 wires running straight down, and the wires that you have that come from the shift knob are going to plug straight down into it. Don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to probably have to pop that out, then plug it in and try to figure out a way to pop it in. It's probably going to require me to remove this whole get up right here to make it easier. Okay, and the parts man. Okay, I popped it out with the screwdriver, and this is it sitting here. And in there is where the 2 wires are going to fit, the wires that come from the shift handle. So we just have to plug these 2 in there, and we'll go from there. Got to figure out ground and positive though. Okay, got it plugged in, just testing it, and now that it's plugged in, I have my old overdrive switch working again. I can press the button, and turn it off. Press the button, turn it on. Just press the button, and it's there. Press the button, and it's off. Alright, she's almost back together. I ended up rerouting that wire at the bottom, so it comes up in between here. Everything's plugged in. I found it's easier to, even though this is all the way in the 1 position, you can slide this up to the park position, which will give you enough room to bring this wire down so you can plug it into the connector there. So now it's all sealed, and oh, it's working. Turn it on or off or whatever. It's whatever. Okay, and the end of this video, she is back together. Excuse the mess, it's a work van. She's fully assembled. Car's running. No lights on the dash. And we just press the button, and I have my overdrive. I can turn my overdrive on and off again. Not that I really used it, but I wanted it to work. That's how you get it done.